Welcome back to Dream Car Views. If you're passionate about luxury on wheels, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning 2025 Outlaw by Thor Motor Coach, a masterpiece of design, power, and comfort. But before we hit the road, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an amazing luxury motorhome tour. Let's get started. Right from the outside, the 2025 Outlaw makes a bold impression. The red and black color scheme gives it a commanding presence, while the sleek front grille, LED lighting, and powerful body lines make it look more like a luxury tour bus than just a motorhome. With strong construction and top-tier paint finish, this motor coach shines like it's straight out of a premium showroom. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a spacious and luxurious living room. Plush leather sofas offer both comfort and style. A large flat-screen LED TV sits front and center with a high-end entertainment system for movie nights on the road. Surrounding you are high-gloss cabinets, polished woodwork, and wide panoramic windows that bring in plenty of natural light during the day and offer a cozy, elegant ambience at night. There's also a recliner and foldable table setup, perfect for relaxing, gaming, or even working remotely. It's the kind of space that makes you forget you're even in a vehicle. Next up is the fully equipped kitchen, built to rival many residential homes. You got a stainless steel double-door refrigerator, 3-burner gas cooktop, a microwave, and even a full-sized oven. The solid surface countertops offer ample space for meal prep, and the stylish backsplash adds a modern touch. With deep drawers and upper cabinets, storage is never an issue. There's also a convenient pull-out pantry, giving you room for everything from spices to snacks. Whether you're cooking a quick breakfast or a full-course dinner, the Outlaw's kitchen is ready to serve. Now let's talk about the bedroom, your personal retreat on the road. The king-size bed comes with premium quality bedding, flanked by beautiful nightstands and personal lighting. Overhead cabinets give you additional storage, and there's also a wardrobe with sliding doors. Mounted opposite the bed is another LED TV, so you can relax and watch your favorite shows in comfort. The room is climate-controlled, soundproofed, and lit with soft ambient lighting, making it ideal for restful nights after a long day of adventure. The washroom in the Outlaw is equally impressive. It's spacious, modern, and designed for both comfort and functionality. You get a glass door shower with adjustable water pressure, a porcelain toilet, and a stylish vanity sink with storage underneath. There's a large mirror with LED lights around it, perfect for daily routines, and even a ceiling vent for airflow and moisture control. The materials used are durable, water-resistant, and finished to shine, giving the whole space a hotel-like feel. But that's not all. The 2025 Outlaw also includes a rear garage with ramp access for ATVs or bikes, outdoor entertainment setups with built-in speakers and TV mounts, and smart control panels inside for lighting, climate, and slide-outs, all accessible through your phone. It's more than a motorhome. It's a mobile luxury suite. So, what do you think about the 2025 Outlaw by Thor Motor Coach? Is this your dream home on wheels? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tour, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another amazing ride here on Dream Car Views. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.